HP 360 Pavilion 2-in-1 laptop. Unboxing this. First of all, you can see the price also. It's manufactured in February 2021 and the price is 63,000 on the box. At the end, I will be revealing the price which I got to me. And this is and the code is HP Pavilion 360 Convertible 14DS1178TU. And now unboxing this. First we get the charger. Small charger. This is 65 watts charger. I'll keep it aside. This is the instruction manual. And we got this laptop which is metallic grey from front and white grey from back. You can check this. I will opening. I'll put aside this all these things. From front it is metallic grey and from its back it's white grey, and you can see the ventilator over here. Only one ventilator is over here, and side also there is a ventilator. Here you can see one USB type port, one headphone jack, and power on off button. You can see this power on off button in this laptop only this side, not inside. And this side we have ports, two USB 3.0 ports, one charging port, and one for type C port for mobile charging or for mobile data you can keep it in. And for SD card you have this option. And this is a 14-inch screen laptop, convertible laptop. Already I have installed everything. So multi-touch screen, you can touch anywhere and you can open any file. It's a multi-touch screen laptop. It's a i3 10th generation, 512GB SSD, 8GB RAM, and it comes with Microsoft Office Student with 2019, and it is free. You can install lifetime. It is lifetime my MS Office and lifetime Windows. It's a 14 inches IPS LED display, so you will be getting color accuracy much brighter than any another laptop. You have Windows HD color, supports HDR. Everything is there in this. And coming to the battery backup, it comes with the company is claiming about 8 hours, but we can get around 5 to 6 hours with one charge, and it is a fast charger. You can charge your laptop with 65 watts fast charger within 1.5 hours. And coming to these specifications, we can get the fingerprint. You have fingerprint over here. You have fingerprint over here. It's very fast and accurate, and the product is very sleek and stylish. It boots up within 10 seconds and turn off within 5 seconds. And it is SSD powered with SSD 512 SSD. That means it's very fast and reliable memory. The touchscreen it's 360 degrees convertible touchscreen. So we can use like this laptop. We can use like this also, and we can use like converting like this. as we wish. We can convert it as a tab mode also. We can convert this into tab mode also, and we can use it as a tab mode also, and we can watch videos within tab mode also. We can use it as in tab mode, and we can watch any videos in tab mode also.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
Sound is okay. Sound is okay and the clarity is also okay. You can check the color saturations. So we can use it like this as a tab, and you can use it like this also. So 360 degrees convertible. You can use it is in any angle like this also, and like this also. So, and this is it. And my review is it's very affordable and very useful for everyone. So I bought it for 50,000 in Reliance Digital. Thank you for watching video. Yeah.